Hello food lovers, welcome back to the JP's Cook channel. Thank you for always stopping by. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Today we want to share this wonderful recipe with you. It's a family meal that everyone will love it in the family. We just made it and trust me, your family or you and your friends are going to like it. We have this stir-fried chicken with a lot of healthy vegetables and some rice. Just look at that, guys. Just look at that. Now let's jump right into the process. To start off, we will be needing this protein-filled chicken breast. Just go right ahead. After washing it, go right ahead and slice the chicken into very slim pieces. This will help the stir fry to come out really well. See the slices that I have here, it's very slim and long, but you can also make it to be short. That's your choice. So after slicing it, I'm almost done. Just go ahead and transfer it. You see how it looks like. Then go right ahead and transfer the chicken into a bowl where we are going to marinate it. See how nice it looks. Then for the ingredients, we have some soy sauce, oyster, and then we have some white pepper, black pepper, thyme, seasoning cube, and of course my special ingredient that makes it taste so yummy. We have the blended garlic and ginger. After mixing it, just go right ahead, cover it and put in the fridge to rest for about 30 minutes. We'll be back to that. And while we are at it, we have the kilograms of this white rice. This is a special kind of rice depending on where you are. I think it may have different names, but this one is called jasmin rice. I've washed the rice. Now I'm just transferring it into a rice boiler. We have some salt into the water, and then you go right ahead and let it boil. And while we are boiling it, we have some vegetables that we'll be using for the stir fry. As you can see here, all my ingredients are in this picture. I will do well to outline it in the description. We have the cabbage, we have broccoli, carrot, bell pepper, onion. We will be slicing it in a minute. Just go ahead and wash all the vegetables, and then I'm going right ahead to slice all the vegetables. Again, we try to be creative here. We slice the vegetables in the shapes that we want. I want this to be long, so I've gone ahead to slice the cabbage into this long strips that you see here, and then I'm doing same with the rest of the vegetables. The broccoli, of course, see how it looks, so I'm just going right ahead to separate it so it will not be too big. The carrot, we slice it into circles, but again, it's your choice. You may want to have another shape. Now we are done slicing our vegetables. In a frying pan, you put some vegetable oil. Now the chicken has rested for about 30 minutes. After we marinated it, go right ahead and put it in the frying pan and fry. You may want to put this on low heat so it doesn't get burned without getting ready. So you keep stirring, and then it's looking something like this. Just look at the color, guys. It's looking so delicious and mouth-watering. So the chicken is almost ready. Don't forget, keep stirring so it doesn't get burned. Just look at that. Wow. If you are still watching, thank you so much. If you have tried this before, how did it come out for you? Is there anything you think we should have added here? Please let us know in the comment section. After finishing off with the chicken, I'm just going to go right ahead, transfer it into a bowl while we also stir fry the vegetables into a frying pan. Again, I'm going to go over with some little vegetable oil. Then I'll start off with a carrot. Since my frying pan is a little bit small, I'm just going to fry some of them separately. As you see there, I started off with the carrot because it takes a little bit longer to fry. After frying it, I transferred it again into a bowl and then in with the cabbage. Just stir fry it a little bit. And then we will be adding the ingredients one after the other. In with the onions. You keep stirring so it doesn't get burned. Just stir. Remember, we are not cooking, we are stir frying. It has to be crispy, not overcooked. And then we have the green beans. My green beans are frozen. Then just go over with them into the frying pan and then you stir a little bit. And then in with the broccoli. This must not be overcooked, otherwise everything will just get soft in the pot. So you stir a little bit. You see how they look like. Wow, you don't want to miss this. And then I just added some salt in with the bell pepper, and then you give it a little stir again, just to make sure they are well mixed together. Because the frying pan was small, like I said before, I had to separate the vegetables. Now I have a bigger pot that I've just transferred everything into. Just going to give it a little mix together before we add in the other ingredients, or let's say the other things we have fried. And then now I have my blended garlic and ginger again. Then in with some oyster sauce. After which I'm going to add soya as well. This is like a special ingredient for this stir fry. I'm sure the Asians can testify to it. If you are an Asian and you're watching, I just learned this and I wanted to share. What do you think about it? This looks really juicy, guys. And I assure you, it tasted just the way it looks. Really yummy. Now remember, we had the chicken we already fried as well. So we are just going to turn it over into the vegetables and then we give it a good mix as well. What I didn't add here that is optional but also really good is the aroma. If you have it and you want to add it, it's also good. So you can go ahead and add it after you are done with the process. Then this is the end process of the stir-fried chicken. We already boiled our rice, and then now we have it in a plate. It's time to serve the rice and the stir-fry. So go right ahead and put the quantity that you want to serve. So guys, this is how the end result turned out. This is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so and turn on the notification bell so as to get other videos when we upload. Thank you so much for your support. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.